Welcome to Boutier Tutorials. In this video, we will be guiding you on how to link Facebook and Instagram to your online store. Please note that CMS is only available for Business Plan and Business Plus users. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, log into CMS by using your Boutier email account. In your homepage, click on the Settings button. Choose Facebook Pixel, Shop and Catalog Settings. Next, select Setup Edit. It will then redirect you to your browser to log into your Facebook account. Once logged in, tap Continue. Here, you will see an overview of what is going to be connected. If you have any parts that aren't set up yet, don't worry, as there will be an option to create them later on. Tap Continue. Now, you can choose your Business Manager account. Next, choose your Facebook page. Then, you can choose to link with Instagram or skip it. Now, for selecting catalog, please ensure that you select the catalog for your business and not your personal catalog. Next, select your ad account. Lastly, select your Facebook Pixel account. You will then have to double-check your linked accounts. Once checked, tap on Continue. Here, you may check the permissions that Boutier has for your linked accounts. Tap on Next. A pop-up will then appear once the linking is successful. Tap Done. Now, you can check the brief summary of your linked Facebook account. You may edit or disconnect this in the future. With that, your store is now set. Download Boutier now on Google Play Store or App Store.